Hello, it's how to not to, and in today's video I will be cleaning out the dispenser drawer on the Hotpoint wash machine as requested by Toby S. Thank you for your comments. Please keep suggesting videos and I'll do my best to do them. I did upload a video similar to this last week but mistakenly called the filter drawer instead of the dispenser drawer. I was going to just leave it as it was, but I called it the filter a dozen times. Filter from filter, every filter out filter, pop the filters back in. So I decided to redo this video. So I've now corrected myself, so there. I kept getting comments about cleaning the dispenser drawer and I thought it was time to show you me doing a full clean of the dispenser. So as you can see, the filter, oh, I called it filter again. What a world, what a world. So as you can see, the dispenser has built up with soap grime over time and I made a rhyme. The best way to prevent your dispenser from looking like this is to clean your I keep saying filter. The best way to prevent your dispenser from looking like this is to clean it every 3 months to keep on top of it. The first thing to do is to remove the dispenser from the wash machine. So this pops out separately, but you can remove the whole thing in one go. And I didn't realise this till after. To clean the dispenser, I'm going to use Alchemy, which is a kitchen cleaner that contains grapefruit seed extract and tea tree oil, which is an ingredient you don't usually see in kitchen cleaning products. So this is an alternative cleaning product to use instead of using more harmful cleaners. It's a natural way to clean your appliances as it's non-toxic. It is a bit more expensive than your regular cleaning products, but does the job at removing grime, and it is safe for the environment. So I'm going to spray that in there, and using a damp cloth I'm going to start rubbing it off. Yeah, the soap has built up. For harder areas, I'm going to use this brush to scrub out the remainder of the dirt. And I'm going to say that all again because it was noisy in the background. Can you close the toaster? And that's it. Nice and clean. Didn't take me too long to do. I will be doing this on a regular basis from now on. It wasn't that bad. Quite enjoyed it actually. I'm now going to wash a load using the Comfort Intense Fabric Conditioner. And the one I have is the luxurious one. It smells absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to pour a bit in there and 2 scoops of the Surf detergent. Get this big throw in there. I'm going to set it to synthetics, my most common cycle, as it washes the clothes in just under 2 hours, which is quicker than the other wash cycles, apart from the fast wash. Please let me know what your common wash cycle is in the comments below. Just want to show you the dispenser drawer filling up with water one last time. Can't believe how clean it is now. So proud of myself, I must say, so proud of myself for getting this far. Okay, that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell to be notified of more how-to videos. In my next video, I will be doing an unboxing, which will be uploaded soon, so please look out for that video. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye for now.